And even though I'm finding some problems with my new suspension that I put in about 2 years ago, the differential break-in drive is going fine so far.
Okay, this is a My Jeep update, July 5th, Wednesday. And I do have some rear end noise, and this might be one of the culprits right here. This end link, this sway bar end link, you see is all crooked and not lined and everything, and it's been scraping against the shock. Now it's aligned on the other side, but you can see where it's been scraping on the other side. I may have to get different end links, I'm not sure, or maybe there's a way I can adjust this sway bar. I'm thinking about loosening these brackets and see if I can move this sway bar that way some. I'm going to try that, but I'm going to have to get some advice on this because this is no good here. That's an update from my Jeep. I'll get back with you on any progress on my Jeep out. Now here's the passenger side rear. It looks a little better. I think it's pretty straight. But you can see over there where it's been rubbing against the shock too. So that's what I'm going to try to do, is get this, make some adjustments to the sway bar, see if that helps. And I've seen some on Jeep forums about making sure when you add a lift, you got to check to see if your axle is centered. And that's one of the things that I'm going to have to do. I'll have to figure that out. Anyway, sway bar link problems, maybe axle alignment, centered and all that. So I'll have to check on that. That's on my Jeep out.
My Jeep update, going out for another short break-in drive today, Wednesday, July 5th. Out for now.
Down at Gators Marina, and getting ready to head back to the house. I disconnected my heavy 1-inch sway bar. I just wanted to see how it drive without it, and I don't like it. It sways around in the back some. It's not as steady, so I'm gonna have to see about, I believe, getting upgraded sway bar links. I think they need to be a little longer. I'm not sure, but I'm checking on that. Anyway, I'm headed back. I'm only gonna do about 4 miles today, 4.5 miles, something like that, because I don't like driving around without this sway bar. Disconnected, is definitely squirrely in the back. I think I like the bounce, the stiff ride better than the squirrely ride. Anyway, that's my Jeep out. Okay, I just got back from the short break-in drive. Just left the marina, and we're showing 2:56.